7 flowers. 8 seahorses.
Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome back to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. So today's topic is how to teach your child to write numbers. So let's get started. Steps to teach your child before writing numbers. So before teaching your child to write numbers, it is very important to teach them patterns, which will help your child to write numbers. So now I am going to show you different types of patterns which you can show to your children before writing numbers. So you can see here, the first one is standing line. The next one is sleeping line. Then right slanting line, left slanting line, left curve, right curve, up curve, and the last one is down curve. So patterns will help your child to form numbers. So after practicing patterns, next important thing is to choose the right notebook. So you can see here, I am using 1/2 inch square size notebook. The next step, while teaching them how to form numbers, always remember to say the number first and then write. So now I am going to show you how to teach your child to form numbers. How to form number 1. You just need to make a standing line. Number 2, you need to make a right curve and then sleeping line. Number 3, 2 right curves. Number 4, right slanting line, then sleeping line, and then standing line. Number 5, sleeping line, standing line, and then right curve. Number 6, left curve and then join. Number 7, sleeping line and then right slanting line. Number 8, left curve, then right curve, and then join. Number 9, left curve, and then standing line. Number 10, standing line, and then make a circle. Now, the next step is don't jump into all the numbers together. Introduce them step by step so that it will help your child to focus and recognize the numbers easily. So you can make a sequence, show them step by step. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. After that 4, 5, 6. Then after that 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will help your child to focus and recognize the numbers easily. The next step, how to introduce number 1. Number 1. So always remember, read and then write. So how to write number 1? Standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. Yes. So in this way you have to read and write. So leave a box and then continue writing number 1. Now leave a box again and make dots and ask your child to trace the number 1. So in this way, ask your child to trace the number 1 and then at the end, encourage your child to write themselves. Let them write. I know it may not be straight line, but it's okay. Now number 2. So how to write number 2? So always remember, read and then write. So you need to make a right curve and then sleeping line. Right curve and then sleeping line. Right curve and then sleeping line. So in this way you will read and then write. So again, leave a box and ask your child to trace the number 2. So after tracing, then ask your child to write by themselves. So let them write and practice. So again, you need to follow the same technique with number 3. So how to form number 3? You need to make 2 right curves. So first, read and then write. Then trace and again ask your child to write themselves. So after introducing number 1, 2 and 3, then it's time to practice. So ask your child to trace the numbers from 1 to number 3. So before moving to the next sequence of numbers, make sure your child does good practice with 1 to 3 numbers. So you can make a practice exercise and help your child to practice the numbers. So you can see here counting. So ask your child to count and then write the correct number. So you can see here now, circle number 2. So ask your child to circle the number 2. Now match the numbers. Now the next, ask your child to draw the number 2. The next, trace the number 1. Now ask your child to count. So in this way, using these simple steps, you can help your child to write numbers. So again, follow the same technique. So next will be 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more new videos. And yes, please do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming videos. So तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video.